Running a YouTube channel comes a lot of responsibility. YouTube isn't as easy as everybody thinks it is. There's planning, filming, editing, re-editing, not getting everything correct, having to film again. I mean, there's a lot to YouTube. And in order to go through half of this process, you need a good headset. So today we will be reviewing the ABKO CORE B780 gaming headset. Let's go. Hey y'all, it's Stephanie and welcome. If you're new to our channel or you haven't subscribed yet, hit that big red subscribe button. It's absolutely free. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, or anything you would like to see me review, leave it in the comment section down below. And if you could hit that like button, it's absolutely free and it will certainly help the channel. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so we have our ABKO CORE B780 headset here. This has got 7.1 sound effects, strong vibration, RGB and LED effect. So let's get into this and see what all we got. Now these are made for gaming, but I decided that instead of just your typical surround sound head system or headset, I wanted a gaming headset. And this one is equipped with a USB. So you have to use a USB with it. Okay. It's got directions in English and Spanish. We do have a CD to install the software. So let's go over to my computer. I'll get it downloaded and we will get started. Okay, so here we are at my computer and we are going to put the disk driver in. Well, actually, let's go ahead and plug them in first. They seem really sturdy. The mic is a wired mic, just like that. So that's really good. We have some buttons over here. So let's open these up. I kind of like the fact that they're on USB instead of just headphone jack. Alright, give me a second and I'll get this installed and we will be back. Alright, we are back up. So we got the headset plugged in. Let's see. We will adjust it to where we need it. And I already got lipstick on it. Okay, so first we're gonna test the audio and video on an editing software. We'll wait until that loads up, and once it's loaded up and I get some things in there, we'll be back. It's very comfortable. I like how you could put the mic where you want it. So we're gonna try this. We're gonna start out with a video track. Let's see. And I got this video here, or this segment here, from when we did the geometric tumbler. Now let's play it and see what it sounds like. The sound on them's really clear. Let's see. Okay, so this right here is actually the sound. I guess this right here is the lights. Oh yeah, see, there's the lights on the side right here. It's this button, and then microphone, and okay, so you could tell when the microphone's on and when the microphone's off. Okay, so now let's get into, we're going to remove the sound off this audio track. and we are going to do a mic test. So we will go into, oops. This is a test to see how this mic works. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, we're gonna play that back and see what it sounds like. Okay, so we got that, and that actually was very clear. I'm gonna have my children talk in the background in a minute. Whenever I let them know, they'll start talking, and then we'll see if we can pick up a lot of the background noise on the mic, or if it just picks up my voice. So I'm gonna remove that. Y'all looking at me? Okay, just you and Lily talk together like y'all are having a conversation, and you two talk together like you're having a conversation, okay? Talk about whatever. Ready? This is a test. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a test. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, that's good, you guys. My dog even joined in. Alright, so the dog wanted to be a part of the video. Alright, let's go back over here. Alright, and we're going to play back this clip. Okay, so we'll remove that. Which we didn't even need the video on there. I just left it on there. But the video or the sound from this mic, whenever you listen to it, and I'll put this sound clip in there to let y'all so y'all could hear what was going on, but you could barely hear the background noise. You could hear mostly me. This is a test. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a test. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, now we're going to get out of the video studio, and I am going to go into YouTube and play a music track. Of course, you're not going to be able to hear it. I'll turn it all the way up, see if people can hear it from the outside of the headset. Well, probably not all the way up. I don't want to damage my ears. But we're gonna listen to it. So I'm gonna turn the computer, because we don't want no copyright here, to where, there we go. Don't pay attention to my wires. And we are going to go into YouTube. Let's see, can you see that? Not really. Okay, there we go. All right, so my final thoughts on the product. These headsets they're built very well. I like the fact that the mic bends to where you need it to be. It is omnidirectional. The buttons are really easy to use. The vibrate actually turns on whether or not you can feel the bass as well, not just vibration. You have your lights, your up and down, and your mic. You can turn it on and off. I absolutely love the fact that the quality of the sound that comes out of these, you can hear really well. It's not distorted on very low volume or very high volume. They're really comfortable. Even whenever the children listened to them, they liked them as well. Now they have noise cancellation, so nothing's going to interrupt you when you have these on. So that's a good quality to have. And just all in all, I do approve these headset. Now these costed this much on Amazon, and I do not have an Amazon affiliate link. This video is not sponsored, but if you'd like to purchase them, that's where you can find them. So yeah, all in all, I do approve of this headset. I'm excited to have it for my editing purposes, and I hope y'all like the video. So if you did, give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them in the comment section down below. Or if you have anything that you want us to review, let me know. I'm open to suggestions. But thank you so much for watching, and y'all have a great day.